All right. So the question is, when I'm trading on Binance and I'm going from coin to coin, what is the fee? I want to be clear here. You've got to be careful to trade what the system tells you to trade. So we're trading systematically. We follow the rules. So we're not saying, okay, I'm holding ETH, but now I want to hold ADA. So I convert my ETH to ADA. And I'm holding ADA. Now I want to hold Solana. So I convert my ADA to Solana. And so you convert that. That'll be a real mess. And you will have lots of strange fees, wide spreads, and you'll get killed. What the systems do is they trade. So if it's a system that trades against the US dollar tether, you buy an asset against tether, and then you'll sell it back to tether. Then you'll buy a different one against tether, and then you'll sell it back to tether when you close the position, and so on. Always coming back to the base currency, tether. If it's Bitcoin, so like the Bitcoin builder system, when you buy, let's say you buy ETH from the Bitcoin builder system, you buy ETH with Bitcoin, then you sell ETH and you go back to Bitcoin. You buy ADA with Bitcoin, then you sell it back to Bitcoin, and so on. Always coming back to the base currency, which is Bitcoin. The fees that you then get are the commissions on Binance, which are very low. There's other types of fees where you're transferring coins between people, where you're swapping coins and whatever. You don't need to worry about those because you're not doing that. You're always coming back to the base currency, which will always be either US dollar tether or Bitcoin. There is a commission, but it's very low.